Greetings from Spark. In today's podcast, the subject I am dealing with is titled Deep Understanding of Concepts. This is a process of perception through multiple disciplines. This question is usually arises in the minds of seekers of deeper knowledge. When we make an observation, we usually try to find a proven concept that can validate this observation. But if you want to find the deeper level of reality behind this concept, the process of perception has to invoke information from multiple disciplines. Let me give you a classical example. Many of us have seen the firefly in the dusk or night flashing its abdominal light at regular intervals. If you chance to carefully observe hundreds of fireflies in a location, like a marsh or a clump of bushes, you will notice that the flashing of light from these insects will be random, but given some time, we will notice that they are all flashing synchronously. Two questions that arise are, why do they do it and how do they do it? The answer to the first question is relatively easy to answer from a biological view. It is a male clustering to signal a mating call to female who usually occupy the lower strata in the grass and the ground level. But the second question needs invoking multiple scientific disciplines. Dr. Stephen Strogatz, a mathematician from Cornell University, made this observation and its relation to other scientific disciplines in his book Sync. The bioluminescent chemical in the abdominal area are excited to a higher potential through a neuronal electrochemical process. The firing of the activating potential is delayed by neighborly observation, which results in a cascading effect. This is very much like how after a few chaotic clapping in a theater, the clapping becomes synchronized after observing the clapping of our neighbors. In our own heart, 10,000 neuronal cells in the heart muscles synchronize their firing potential to provide a steady rhythm to regulate our heartbeat. The same can be found in highly focused laser beams due to the perfect alignment of their photon spin axis. You can see that a basic observation of the firefly leads a keen observer to the multiple disciplines of bioluminescence, human anatomy, and electronics. Hence, we can conclude that to keenly observe and derive deeper understanding, you need to continuously expand your knowledge in many domains. In Dr. Howard Gardner's model of 5 minds of the future, this is one of the minds that we need to develop through our lives, and he called it the synthesizing mind. The understanding of concepts across all domains does not apply only to science, but also to all forms of learning. The evolution of Homo sapiens and the advancement of languages is another area. We need to study in depth the evolutionary trajectory in anthropology. Early humanoids, the Australopithecus, 4.2 to 1.9 million years ago, did not have language except probably some signs and grunts. These are the early memes associated with that prevailing culture, primarily for survival. As evolutionary pressures changed from hunter-gatherers to the information age, the memes also advanced. Early Homo sapiens, the Namibian Bushman, communicate with tongue clicks. Consciousness of Homo sapiens, though it is the fundamental start of all memes, gives rise to advancement in languages, which in turn strengthen advanced consciousness. This is how languages develop to its current stage and continue to evolve in this internet age. So in this example, we have an integral concept that is invoked from evolutionary biology, sociology, linguistics, and consciousness. The reason why this type of understanding is essential is the joy of grasping and contributing to greater reality. Thank you for watching and listening.